So students, before solving the question number 7, you check the distributive property over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. It states that if A, B and C are any three whole numbers. You remember the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so any three. Then A into bracket B plus C is equal to first A multiply B. Okay, A multiply B. The symbol of plus, we use the plus. Then A multiply by C. So this is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So question number 7, part 1. It says that using property, find the value of following. So first question is 107 into 77 plus 107 into 23. So what is the common in both 107 and 107? So you take 107. You check here. A is the common in both. So we take the common A here. So 107 and 107 is common in both. So we take the common 107 here. So now you check. So what is the remaining here? 77 plus here 23. So you check it. And now add it. 107 into. Add them. You get the 100 and equal to 107. So check the question. That is 10,700. So by using the property, here we write distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. So I hope you understand the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now, the next property is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. It states that if A, B and C are any three whole numbers, then here we just write minus B minus C, and here we use the minus. The same property is there. So first memorize the property and try to learn the property and then solve the question. So question number 7, part 3rd. Second is same as the question first. So we solve the third part. What is the third part? 126 into 321 minus 26 into 321. So now you're observing here A. A and A at the both. So what is the A here? The question has 321 common in both. So we take the common 321 and now 126 minus 26. Here is the multiplication. So 321 into subtracted. So you get 100 and now multiply it. You get 32100. That is 32,100. So this is the question number 7, third part. Hence, using the property, find the product. So here we write the property. What is the property? So in the bracket, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So you must write the property because question asks the property. The next question number 8, also is same as the question number 7. So question number 7. Question number 7 as the question number 8. What is using the property? So I am solving only one part of question number 8. Part first. That is part first. 127 into 95. So we use the property here. Okay, that is the 95. So 127 into 100 minus 5. How to write 95? 95 we write as 100 minus 5. So here we use distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. And write here the property and multiply it. 127 into 100 minus 127 into 5. That is 12700 minus 57 is 35. And 3 carry, 5 2s are 10, 3. 30, 5 1s are 5 and 1, 6. So 635. And now subtract it, you get the answer here. So 5 from 10, you get 5. And 3 from 9, you get 6. And 6 from 6, you get 0. Here is the 12. So it is 12,065. Okay. Now another part of question number 8. We check the second part, 104. Second part, 104 multiply 218. We check 100 plus 4 multiply 218. And so now 100 into 218 plus 4 into 218 and multiply it. 21800 plus multiply by 4. 4 8 ja 32. Get a 2, 3 carry. 4 1 ja 4 and 3. 7. 4 2 ja 8. And now add it. You get 2, 7, 8 and 16. 1 carry. Just 2 and 2. So by same method to solve the remaining part of question number 8. I hope you solved the remaining part. Now, question number 9. Question number 9. So before the solving the question number 9, memorize the whole numbers. Whole numbers are start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am reading the question and you also have a book. So check the question. Write all possible whole numbers which when multiplied with itself give the same numbers. The numbers are 0 and 1. When 0 multiplied 0 get the 0 and 1 multiply 1 get the 1. Only two numbers are there or only two whole numbers are there which multiply itself we get the whole numbers or the same number. So no other. 2 into 2 that is the 4. So only two numbers 0 and 1 are the two whole numbers. When we multiply we get itself. Now question number 10. So question number 10. We have question number 10 also says that find the sum 126 question number 10 first part 126 plus 765 bracket and plus 329. So question says that find the sum. Are the two sums equal? If yes, state the property involved. So you check the number. This is the first number and second number is B part. Okay, that is the A part and that is B part. 126 plus 765 plus 329. So first, okay, this is for you. I am not going to solve this question. First, add them and then add it. Second, first add them, then add it and check both addition have the same value or not. If they have the same value, then state the property. And I hope there is no matter to where we write the numbers. It is simply to solve the question in simple way. I explain the simple question like this. 2 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 2 plus 5 plus 6. In simple question, this is I am explaining. This is for you. I am not explaining it. So 2 plus 5, 7 plus 6 is equal to 2, 5, 6, 11. And add that 13. This is also 13. So there is no matter where the number is writing, but the symbol is there. Addition. So we add them. So this is associative property of addition. So you solve this question. So next question is numerical question. That is 11. numerical or word problem. That is the word problems types questions. A milk vendor supplies 47 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 53 liters of milk in the evening. If milk cost is rupees 36 per liter, how much money does the vendor get from the hotel every day? So we get the money every day from the hotel. I solve the question. It's very simply way. So question number 11. Money that the vendor get from the hotel, get from the hotel is equal to rupees 47 plus 53 multiply 36, and you get the answer. That is rupees. You add them, so you get 100 into 36. That is rupees 3,600. So evening he get 46 liter and morning he get 53 liters. So first the total per day 100 liter. So what is the rate of the milk? 36 rupees. Then multiply by 100, we get 3,600 rupees. Next question. Question number 12. Dealer buys 98 refrigerator if the cost of refrigerator is rupees 16,100. Find the total cost of 98 refrigerator. Okay. And mark the property also. So property is the same. Which property? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. So the property is must. So this is the question number 12. Cost of 98 refrigerator is equal to rupees 16,008 multiplied by 98. So we use the distributive property over multiplication. Oh, sorry, distributive property of multiplication over addition. So that is 16,000 plus 8 multiplied by 98. So 160 into 98 plus 8 into 98. Sorry. You write the 98 like the distributive property, not like this. Okay. No, that is 16,008 into, okay, 98 we can write like this, 100 minus 2. So here we use the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, not addition. Okay, over subtraction, not addition. 16008 multiplied by 100 minus 98 into 2. So 16008 minus 6008 multiplied by 2. We get here and now subtract. You get the answer. So students, sorry for the questions, and but memorize it. 98, how we write 98? Again, I am explaining. That is 98, we write 100 minus 2. Which property we use? Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. And then 100 multiplied by 16,008 and 16,008 multiplied by 2. So you get 2, 8 just 16. 6 carry 1, 6 we write here, 1 carry, 2 0 0 and 1, 1 2 0 0, 2 6 12, 1 carry, 2 1 2 and 3, and then subtract. So you get the money here. So now your exercise is finished.